Bismillah ar Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Sir has already introduced myself. So I'll here start my presentation without wasting a time. First of all, I'm really thankful to the organizers for providing me chance to present on the issue which is very burning and very important and need of time. And I have chosen the topic interfaith and interdisciplinary approaches for a sustainable approach. And the subtitle I would give to my presentation is interdisciplinary approaches to global issues. So it is a global issue, so we need to keep both resource depletion are pressing global environmental challenges. And foster cooperation, awareness, and action. The role of interfaith approaches, if we look at a very comprehensively, we can see that religious emphasize moral, ethical, and grassroots movements because it influence on policies through shared values and collective actions. So that was interfaith. Now let us see the role of interdisciplinary approaches. When we say interdisciplinary approach, it encourages social science, humanities, and policy studies. It also integrates scientific findings with cultural, ethical, and social perspective, which leads to comprehensive strategies for sustainable and resilience. So it has a vast importance when we synergize them. So let us see what is the synergy between interfaith and interdisciplinary approaches. Basically, it is faith-based initiatives which benefits from scientific backing, scientific solutions gain broader acceptance through cultural and ethical frameworks. It encourages inclusive then we have to prepare. I will share with you very presentation because of the time limitation. So that is how I have chosen one or two case studies to discuss as well. The first case study is relevant to my topic, case to synergy between interfaith and interdisciplinary approach is the faith-based environmental movements, and the example is Green Faith Movement, in which religious leaders advocate for climate action and faith communities engage in tree planting, sustainable practices, and awareness campaign. The second case study is about cross-disciplinary research projects, the examples of which are indigenous knowledge and modern science collaborations, which uses ecological data with traditional practices for sustainable resource management, and it also enhances conservation efforts and climate adaptation strategy. So we have already some organizations which are working on this. And as far as collaborative governance models are concerned, the example is also found of United Nations Faith for Earth initiative, which brings religious groups and policy makers together because it integrates ethical considerations into environmental policies. So at the end, very comprehensively, I would like to conclude my presentation that interfaith and interdisciplinary approach complement each other. We cannot take or give importance to any one of them because whether it is environmental issue, it is climate change, anything, they both complement each other and should be taken as a very serious tool for working on this issue in future because it promotes cultural sensitivity, ethical responsibility, and scientific rigor. And it is also essential for achieving global sustainable goals. I think this topic, which is chosen by the respective organization for presentation and conference, one of the main theme, because this is time for call of action as it engages with interfaith and interdisciplinary initiatives. It supports policies that integrates ethical and scientific perspectives, and it also advocates for sustainable practices in common. So, thank you so much. I hope my comprehensive message must have been received by all of the participants and